Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable labels in your Gmail inbox. So labels are features that allows you to help organize your inbox and interesting features to categorize and sort your emails into specific groups. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Gmail account. And then click mo lang itong Gmail. So dito lang sa top right corner and then click mo lang itong settings. And then makikita mo dito yung quick settings at itap mo lang itong see all settings. So dito sa see all settings, dito lang sa taas, iselect mo lang dito yung labels, ito siya. So i-click mo lang dito at makikita mo kaagad yung option settings niya. So andito yung system labels and then yung show and label list. So dito sa system labels, andito yung inbox, stares, noise, important chat, scene, schedule, drafts, and all mails. So dito naman sa show and label list, nandito yung dalawang option settings na pwede natin gawin. Kung gusto mong enable or disable siya, so click mo lang itong show kung gusto mong enable. Kung gusto mo naman i-disable, click mo lang itong hide. Ganito siya. Alright? Click mo lang siyang ganito. Pag naka-disable na siya. Kung gusto mo naman enable, click mo lang itong show. Alright? So napakasimple lang talaga kung paano natin enable or disable natin ang labels in Gmail. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.